In Falkland, St. Anne, Jamaica, there lived a woman named Annie. She was 41 years old and lived with her 3 daughters and 2 sons. Her first daughter, Anna, was 21, Mika 18, Zoe 14, her sons Draga 20 and Alex 16. They all squeezed into a lean board house that looked like one breeze could blow it down. Whenever rain fell, the place would flood and frogs would swim around like they paying rent. One evening, Anna was sweeping out water while Mika and Zoe sat on the bed lifting their feet.
Molly, the tired of the life, Anna?
Anna said with frustration in her voice.
Every time rain fall, we have to sweep out water like we live on beach.
Annie hissed her teeth and sipped some rum and boom from a glass.
Cha, this is worse than this.
She said, smiling with her rotten tooth showing.
You better be grateful.
One day, Annie decided to rent a fairly nice 2-bedroom concrete house down the road. For the first time, Anna felt hope.
I can't believe we live in a real house now.
She said, folding up her clothes neatly on the bed. But after 5 months, the landlord knocked at the door.
Miss Annie, we need my rent money by a weekend. You owe me 3 months now.
Annie smiled at him sweetly, saying,
Mr. Henry, may I beg you, give me a little more time.
As soon as he left, she turned to her children and said,
Pack up on a thing them. When now wait for police come, a back to board house we go.
That evening, they loaded up their scandal bags and mattress on a borrow hand cart, marching back down the lane with shame burning their skin. Neighbors peeped out their verandas, whispering and shaking their heads.
Cha, Annie move out and move in back same way. How do the Ann family them?
Miss Pearlie asked her husband. After months of frog life again, Annie found a rundown 1-bedroom house further up Falkland. No window pane, no kitchen sink, no bathroom, and a pit toilet outside with wasps nesting under the seat. Still, Annie said it was home. Anna cleaned it out, Mika and Zoe helped nail up old zinc to cover window holes, and the boys swept out rat droppings like they were on punishment. That night, as they ate dumplings and mackerel sitting on crates, Anna looked around, laughed, and said,
Mommy, we I live like crabby now, but me not lie, it better than the frog them.
Annie chuckled, sipping her rum with her rotten teeth shining in the candle light.
Me tell you now, anywhere me there, I polish that. Me a queen in my own world.
Years passed, they fixed up the little board house with second-hand furniture, bright market curtain cloths, and a tiny flower garden at the front. Anna got a job at the shop nearby, Mika started hair braiding to make extra money, Zozo focused on school, and the boys helped their neighbors with yard work for money. One Sunday morning, Anna swept the yard. She looked at her mother watering flowers and smiled.
Mommy, me proud of we. We did I live like crab and frogs, but now we are live like people.
Annie smiled back, feeling the breeze on her face and the sun warming her tired bones.
Me tell ya, me a queen in a this. As a mother, if you don't fix yourself, your kids will spend their whole life fixing what you refuse to face.
Please follow, like, share, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you love my stories.
Link in bio.